Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV, where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. Alright, thank you for being here today. Guess where I am? I'm at Royalton. What is this? Royalton Negril. Right, so I've been telling you guys that getting married and stuff like that. So finish that process and now the marriage begins, right? Well, I just wanted to show you guys the inside of this, what do you call it, suite? What do you call it? I know what them call it. Yeah, I'm gonna show you inside a hotel room. It's very beautiful, well designed. I love how it looks, and I'm learning from it as well. A part of architecture is actually going places and seeing different things, and those things will influence your design overall. And I think that it's a really beautiful hotel. The design is like really nice, and by looking at certain things and certain details, I'm seeing where some of these things can be implemented in my design. So I guess I'll be doing that, right? Even behind me, if you notice, there's a there's a headboard, but I just love how it is designed. It has lights in it over here, and then this metal piece, just bring the whole design together. And then there are light switches inside the headboard itself that controls the entire apartment. Well, even the apartment, the entire hotel room. So these are things that I like. I actually like it because just the convenience of it, not having the need to actually get up out of your bed to go turn off the lights. It also has lights in the I don't know what those are. I've never seen them before. So I guess that's a good thing for me, right? So I'm gonna just show you that. Let me just adjust you guys a little, like right over there. So I'm gonna show you this. I think this is a very cool little gadget. It's a night lamp, right? So once you pull it out, then it turns on the light, and when you put it away, the light is off, right? So I'm gonna show you a tour of the room going through today. This is just in the morning, and I decided to just start, right? And I'll share it with you guys, and I hope that this inspires you. There's not a lot going on as it relates to the design, but at the same time, the fact that not a lot is going on makes it that much more interesting, right? Just the symmetry, the repetition, the hierarchy of the space, those things just give it that much like I said, elegance, right? You're not over designing, and that in and of itself help the space to really come together. So I'm going to show you that when I get back. All right, thanks, and continue to watch this video. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. All right, so let's get into the tour. Hi.
Welcome to my Hollywood suite. Come on in. So here you have your first mirror, and right here you have 3 drawers to put your clothes in. Over here Here's the toilet. You can slide the door close and open. You come out further and you have the closets to your right. And you have the tub to your left. You know, so you can take that nice hot tub soap, can turn the jets on and just relax, and if you want to fall asleep, you fall asleep. And over here you have the his and her sink with a large mirror and an extra mirror for the lady on this side. And in here you have the showers. Which you have the, we call it the rain shower, as well as the one that you can pull out. As well as a sitting space. And here is the bed and this nice piece above the bed, which adds a little, you know, extra to the room. And you have another large mirror right here, and the TV right here. And in here you have a fridge, a mini fridge. Over here you have tea stuff, so you get a coffee maker and coffee things and cups and sugar. And right here you have more drawers. You have another mirror with a sitting space.
Turn on the light. No one, the light switch.
And it also has a light around it. It also has a light around it. A nice sitting space. If you're traveling and you're working, you can sit here and have your laptop and stuff. Or if you want to do it over here, this is another sitting space. If you want to cock up your foot on the table, you can cock up your foot. And it has a little cut in it as well. So you could put ice in there, or books, or stuff like that. And here we just have a inside the side table with the phone if you want to call, you know, room service or front desk or some other places like housekeeping, etc. Alright, let's go to the balcony. Start. So a key feature of the room as well is that the doors reduce the noise from outside. You'll hear the difference when I open it.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. I put all of that in my rip. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade us. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down.
And close the curtain.
You go outside down
So less of me out here with the sea, really in the field. I'm really on cam now, I got plans now, finna branch out real quick.
So I think that's the end of the tour, guys. Thank you for coming and thank you for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment.